Look at her eyebrows.
Yeah, okay.
And that ponytail.
Alright, I'll take that. I'll take that one. All day, every day. She would be in my FAWales team.
Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome.
For that reason, you'll be in mine.
Thank you. No, you do those double passes. Those jump 2-foot passes that you do.
It is me.
Okay.
Her body clock is all over the shop, so she gets up a ridiculous o'clock in the morning every day and wakes me up. And when you have the munchies in the night, you choose the most loudest thing you can possibly eat, like a minstrel.
I would probably start off faster, but Lauren would end faster.
Unless you stick your pony out as you go over the line.
Yes.
Jess tried to cook broccoli once, and for about 10 minutes she wondered why the water wasn't bubbling. She hadn't turned on the stove.
I would like to say we really bounce off each other. Lauren! No. No?
Why did you shout it?
I don't know.
Just doing your mother.